Do you know many people are having trouble with an E7 code on their Cuisinart Coffee Center SS-16? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug Coffee Maker. Start by turning off your coffee maker, then unplugging it for a minute or more. Step 2. Check water level. Next, verify the water level in your reservoir and ensure it's properly installed. Step 3. Close brew head. Ascertain that the brew head is completely closed. This may prevent the error from continuing. With the above steps, you should be able to fix the E7 error yourself and restore the smooth functioning of your coffee maker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Cuisinart users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.